go pour this thing for the gutter wey dey in front of her. You know, pour. Before you go school now, wow, all this pikin, sha.
Iyawale, good morning.
Mama Ada, good morning. How market now?
Iyawale, Mama Ada, this one wey you wan do, shey e good so? Eh? Ha! I tell ya. Later we go dey complain say Nigeria dirty. Our marketplace na so dirty fill the place. Our gutter na yama full am. Everywhere they smell. People they sick, they die like fowl. Abba. If you want make Nigeria better, make everywhere they clean and beautiful like Obodo America. Make investors they come our country. Make everybody they happy. Make our country better like all them white countries so. We must learn to clean our country. If we not clean them, nobody go clean them for us. We must package our dirty well. Give them to the collectors where government don't provide. All this one where we they talk so. Now make we our children make all life better for all of us. So. If you want make Nigeria better, we must start to clean them first. A cleaner Nigeria is a better Nigeria.
This message is brought to you by Group 1 of MCM 406. To make Nigeria a better place, you need to make it a cleaner place.